Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. If you are a subscriber of mine, welcome. You know how much I love you guys. Thank you always so much for your constant support. It means a lot. So I've been asking you guys what subscription boxes that you would like me to unbox. Now, a handful of you guys have requested some that I have already actually unboxed on my channel. I have all of my subscription box unboxings on a playlist, so definitely go check those out. But today, as you saw by the title, I do have a new one here. I saw a few other people unbox this, and then I saw it, I think I saw an advertisement on Instagram, and I'm like, let's just check this out. So if you're curious to see what comes in this Chic Beauty box, then just keep watching. Alright, so to know a little bit more about Chic Beauty box, this right here is a box with just makeup, and that's it. And it comes with 4 to 5 full-size makeup products every other month for only $34.99. Now I'm very excited about this. They do let you choose, I think it's 2 or 3 of the products that you want in your box, so it's cool. You get to kind of customize it, or you can have them pick it. I totally customized it because there is a Too Faced product in here that I have been wanting to try, so I'm very excited. So we're going to go ahead and pop this open. Right away, this is what it looks like. Whoop. Let me grab that. Okay, so we'll go ahead and just we'll go ahead and look at this. This is the Too Faced Perfect Eye Waterproof Eyeliner. And this is in Perfect Moss. This is a green, which would have looked very good with my outfit for today. I don't have any Too Faced liners. I don't think. I've been kind of sort of getting into wearing liner again. Today I am wearing black liner on the lids, just because, not lids, on my waterline, just because I know that I'm not going to be wearing this makeup for too long today, because I can't really wear liner on my waterline for too long because it irritates my eyes so much. But this will be really pretty to like smoke out the top, on the top of the lid as well. And it comes with a little smudger. Ooh, it's kind of cool. It's like rubbery. So yeah, so that's pretty. I guess we can swatch it. I'll swatch it right here. Oh my gosh. That is super creamy. So I like that a lot. And I love more creamier eyeliners as well, obviously, because they are so much easier to apply. Next up, I see this right here. Now this is the Clarins Paris SOS Comfort Nourishing Balm Mask with Wild Mango Butter. I'm excited about this. So this is, like I said, from Clarins. Ooh. Nourishing Balm Mask. So let's see what you use this for. This is ideal comfort for dry skin. This rich, nourishing balm mask promotes soft, smooth skin in just 10 minutes. Your skin is intensely nourished and comforted. I'm wondering if you deeply nourish your skin to radiant to remove with a cotton pad soaked in lotion. Remove with a cotton pad soaked in lotion. Okay, I'm not really understanding that. It says the same for the back, so I'm kind of curious. I want to smell it. Because, like, what kind of lotion would you put on a cotton pad to remove it? Wow, that smells really good. I feel like this is one that you could probably keep on your skin. But it says 10 minutes and then to wipe it off. So I'll definitely be using that. Again, this is what that looks like. Sorry, I'm using my front viewfinder camera, like, for the camera part. So this is one that I actually picked up and I'm excited. So Milk Makeup is a very expensive brand. So this is an eye pigment, and it came in this cute little, let me just show you guys, it came in this cute little container, and then I'm opening it up, and this is in Mermaid Paradise. Oh my gosh, guys, I already know this is going to be so, holy crap. I don't think I've ever seen anyone do a video on these. Oh my gosh. Look how stunning that is. Oh my gosh. This will be, see, you can even like pat it out to make it go on a little thinner. This will be perfect on days where I just want to throw on a, I'm smelling that lotion that the mask that I just did, but it smells really good. I think this doesn't really have much of a smell to it. But this will be very pretty on days where I want to just kind of like blot a little bit of color on my lids. That is very gorgeous. I'll most likely be using this in a first impressions video, so stay tuned for that. Okay, we're going to try to wipe off some of that. So far, this box is awesome. I like it so far. So we have, oh dang, okay, we have 3 more products left. This is one that I did pick out. This is the Too Faced Tutti Frutti Twinkle Twinkle Liquid Glitter Eyeshadow, and gorgeous. I kind of forgot which color I chose, but this is one that I think that I would use a little bit more than the other ones. So let's swatch this one. It's pretty. I don't know why I thought that I chose a color more to my liking. That's really pretty though. And again, this is one that you can just like blot, like lightly put on your eyes and then rub it in. Not really like super rub it in, but dab it in, you know what I mean? And also you could probably use this to do like a glitter liner on top. So that's really pretty. Like I said, I do love stuff like this because it's very easy to just like put, you know, if I'm setting my makeup out for the next morning, if I'm like going to clean a house or something like that and I do want to wear a little bit of makeup, this is nice to just kind of dab all over the lids and then you have something on. I'm curious if though the glitter has fallout to it or not, so we shall see. Alright, next up is this right here. Oh, okay, this is one that I picked out. This was over it, so I'm like, what? So this is the Maybelline. I love how they have high-end and drugstore. This is the Maybelline Burgundy Bar Eyeshadow Palette. Now, I am so excited about this. Maybelline, if you guys did not know this, I am a huge fan of Maybelline. It's probably one of my favorite drugstore brands, and I just think they're so affordable, and their products never disappoint. So I'm going to go ahead and open this up. I do want to do a few swatches for you guys. I will try to use this in an upcoming video. I know I haven't recorded many makeup videos lately, but with Matt and I, my boyfriend and I, being in the middle of renovating the front and backyard, been pretty busy and just trying to get my subscription box videos up. But this is what this is looking like, but soon, I promise you guys. In July, I'm going to be doing so many, starting in July and then forward, I'm going to be doing so much more makeup videos, and I'm excited about it. So this is what this looks like. It's kind of cool how they have like the raised pan like they do. Okay. Yes! Look at that pigment. Super pretty. That burgundy shade, that's like exactly, if someone was to describe burgundy to me, it would be that right there. So those are super pretty. I'm excited to have this in my collection. I just absolutely love the purple of this palette. It's gorgeous. Okay, last but not least in this box is the Nars Power Matte Lip Pigment in Give It To You. I don't think that this is one that I think this is one that I actually did pick. I don't own, not that I know of, any, this one's pretty. I don't own any lip products from NYX. This is very, very pretty. I'm kind of curious if I'm wanting to... okay, let me swatch it. Okay, it's a bit of a deeper pink than I thought it would be, because I was like, am I going to keep this or not? But it's a bit of a, it's more deeper of a pink, and that is super matte. As you can see, that kind of covered part of my tattoo. That's going to be a very pretty color for the summertime, and this packaging is just like so me. I love it. Super, super cute. All right, so that is everything that came in this box. I am for sure keeping this subscription because I think that what I got was for sure worth the $35. I'm like looking around to make sure I remember everything that I got. Oh yeah, I got the liner. Okay, and it's sitting, where is it sitting at? Somewhere over here. But I have so much stuff on my desk, I need to clean it. Oh, it's sitting right there. Okay. Anyway, what do you guys think about this box? If you liked it, comment down below. If you want to see more unboxing videos from this, be sure you subscribe. Be sure you hit this, I can't talk today. Be sure you like this video. Be sure you hit that bell notification button so you don't miss out on any of my upcoming videos. Also, guys, I do have a handful of giveaways going on right now on my channel. Definitely go check all of those out and enter, because those giveaways will be ending very soon. I think I'm going to extend it for like one more week. So yeah, I love you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Toodaloo.